Sayukabe, Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. Are you rich? I'm a mini. I do. I'm a business.
All right, thank you.
Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. Are you rich? I'm a mini. I do. I'm a business.
Okay. Mommy and Papa them on a good morning, good afternoon, good evening for any sound at the watch. We still remain very constant on our new strategy. Say any man with the watch our page, we don't get a few people that don't write before explain why they don't feel like, why they don't feel share. But I think any other person with the watch will not explanation. If you not feel share and you not feel like this page or this video, will get for delete you. I don't tell my administrator that they look and closely. So that is the new strategy. So if you join, you make sure make you share extensively. All right, make you share extensively and bring everybody on board. We'll get close to 1,000 people that they watch right now. So today, now 1st of July. So once a happy new month for all man with watch this show. 1st of July 2020. And we want to start by greeting the refugees. They want them to be very, very strong, and the prisoners them as well. And I go just go straight to the point because we'll not get time for waste time. Might talk this one very clearly. I always, because na mind game where they try to play them on our people. Say when I call you say they say they just sue Eric Tato. I don't know side that kind of gossip they come out for international terrorism or whatsoever because of this, because of that. Okay, Mona, listen very well, Mommy and Papa. Then now the breaking news will come from U.S. courts about issues like this. Breaking news missing at you if it nobody know where they happen. So any of those. I'll repeat myself very clearly. Now me, Eric Tato, I be Gary Master. I want the people there, they want to sue me, they take this video I do on the 1st of July. Now me, they call me Eric Tato. Eric Tano Tato. Because my middle name for America is Tano. My last name is Tato. My first name is Eric. Okay? So, I make them very clearly. I make them very, very clearly. By now, all the smoke game will come. You know why the Cameroon government don't bring the new thing, say they want to sue Eric Tato for court, this, and so on. Now, one reason. Because they know, say, I don't preach something about their reconstruction project for the B&B strategy where now build and break. You know, if they build them, we broken down. So now they try to make sure, say, man, not continue to do the preaching. they make sure say make it frighten me, for subdue me, must subscribe to that fright. See, when this thing will start, when I get myself engaged for this our revolution, anybody follow me, remember two things I have to talk about. I need fear. Two things. Number one, I need fear for die. Number two, I need fear for go for jail. Because if you be freedom fighter, excuse I don't know if I die anytime. Excuse I don't know if I go jail anytime. So it be very clear. Me Cameroon government know very well say I will not be intimidated for this America what day. Anybody join, make sure say you share this show extensively and then click on love and like. I might talk very clearly. I don't tell a lot of people say for revolution. First time they fear even the so-called Ambazonian activists become online activists and become online say, oh, FBI they track Eric Tato, he go arrest Eric Tato, go do this. Now me, I go for FBI front building 3 times for the headquarters of Washington DC. I go do live video for the today that arrest today was I want to say good evening for my sister Vicky for just 1 minute. Hey, hello, what's up? Not very busy. You want to come around? No, I'm not very busy. Okay. Let me call you back in an hour. Please. Okay. So, as I've talk, we all get to know. One thing they were a lot of Ambazonians, even those living in the diaspora where they don't know, with due respect to those that not be involved for this classification. Now, either way, it be easy for person way you need to work like for America for can manipulate some other people that they work and then they call it leader. Because they not understand the way they operate. Now, whether way some person if you can hold life, just say, oh, there was some court for California, they get for do it for Eric Tato, this man and so on. They don't sue Eric Tato, he get this one, he get this every day, get this. Well, let me tell you something about me. And this goes to all other Ambazonians. What you are doing is your right. And I want to repeat, I want to reiterate, say, as the biggest rebel for the revolution where Cameroon government final, I want to repeat them today. Say we no go ever drop our guns and down. Never ever. Make it be very clear to the Cameroonian community. Very clear. Say the Ambazonians will never drop their guns. It will not ever happen. It will not ever happen. We will not ever drop those guns. And no man in the fear, no man pursue any person for anything. We have only one terrorist group in the armed conflict in Cameroon, and that is Paul Biya and his regime. That's the only terrorist. Now, Paul Biya. So stop this drama on social media. Eric Tato is not scared. You can't beat me. We are focused on the goal. There is one terrorist. One. And that is Paul Biya Bimpondo and his kangaroo regime. They are killing our people every day. So there is nothing. No court. Listen, let me tell you something. Let me say it very clearly. I'm telling you, my name is Eric Tato. Me. Eric Tato, nobody. I'm not scared. No way. See, my turn on one thing. Cameroon is sinking. They are finished. Therefore, when I get for concentrate on the goal, when I let them, they come for Eric Tato the 1 million. And I say, listen, don't fight it, leave it. I know how to handle them. I don't handle the pigs, handle the AGC them. Now, the Cameroon government can't say case for California. Me be very clear. Very clear. My turn on one thing. If me, for example, I talk with Yannick Sikot, you know my highest prayer, and I say me record me, put that out there. Yannick Sikot get money. Oh. Yes, now businessman. I think taking like $50,000 or $100,000 for my one voice will come outside. And they try to cripple for America. So I need to fear nobody because yes, someone say they take my recorded stuff, go get them for George. Excuse me, the thing that they talk for here, I they talk now for back. After they hear all my life, I talk say After this, take a put out on YouTube. Because when I put out on YouTube, I don't get control. Even on Facebook, if FBI want my Facebook video from Tanwa Stadu live show, although Facebook don't delete the account, them, you go for Facebook, go subpoena Facebook. If they get a national investigation, federal investigation, where America is doing. I talk this thing very clearly. The last activist, last man, where when I want fighting in the Republic, you come on Eric Tato. I'm not talking very clear. Very clear. See, listen to me, listen. I'm saying this clearly. Ambazonians, know that you have won your war. When I see to Jacques Famdongo go talk for Radio France International, RFI, he talk say they not get no plan for ceasefire. I be talk say when they be talk say, the way me Eric Tata they operate, I they talk something, now so them they can't confirm them. I need fear what I want to talk. When they say, oh, Paul Biya want to withdraw troops from southern Cameroons because on this date, July wait or June wait, you'll get a new state, Atiku Abubakar is he own a local government will join with we'll get the what they call the United Nations state. I tell them, say, I come for live show, like 5 live show. I tell them, say, fake. And some ambassadors, they even believe that shit. Yet, excuse my language, yet, when they believe to they build military camp from Gabu, Cameroon government, the most wicked government for the world. Now, their own terrorism past Boko Haram. Those guys are bad. Very bad guys. So, they don't get no intention for move any military. Because they want to make sure that they capture we, subdue we into a new form of black on black slavery. But it will never happen. Now when I see they follow me up and down because they say, oh, so one guy there was social media way, now he found this war. Now he put this war me go on. Oh, more fighting, see why if he come down. You cannot. I don't already build all the my take Cameroon government one thing. I don't already build all the equipment and all the strategy way like Facebook take me out completely. I get radio. I get my own app. Would it be our own platform or more Germany? So would it plan for the future? Would it look at the war ahead? Yes, we get brother. So our brother they don't be a whole platform or more Germany. Now go check it out. Because this is what they're going to do. When they don't succeed or intimidate, we will court. Listen, let me tell you the breaking news in the courts in America. Again, only one obligation for listen, California, they come and say Cali. How it resemble Maryland. Me and California now much, we get the same flag. I don't live in California. I have no business in what happened in California. Nothing. The only business I get of California, I say, if you drive past through California, past red light, their motor vehicle administration wait to go send me ticket for my house. Other than that, I don't get no business. So it's an absolute stupidity for some man for even come for Facebook. If you get America, you read the laws. You never know say, me I don't get California, even me at the state of Maryland. I be resident for Maryland. My business be for the DMV area. But if I get any issue where it have for Washington DC, state court for Maryland of even subpoena video for Washington DC. Not happen. You see mayor of Washington, you go for front corner White House, go pen the whole street, Black Lives Matters. Donald Trump, they look at so for window, so he make kick. So when people they make noise on social media, I look at it, laugh. I be one activist who know it right. I read very well. I don't read my laws on all laws on Maryland. I don't read the law. If I get any issue, right? They don't even come to California. The federal judge them or whatever, they go assign FBI. We go come on for FBI there for Baltimore. They there for Washington. FBI for Washington DC, none of you even can find me. I don't get no business with. So when I look at all these things they do and I become a mind, they want to come on and start here say, oh, Eric Tato, where so the revolution one day they want to take. Listen, I'm not going to no court in North California. It's never going to happen. It's not. I don't get no business with California issues. It's not my business. Not concern me. I go California on tourism, go down for the chop fine fish. But I won't go do a come back. No king say judge, no judge of California, not the power for judge me for this America. I get my own judge for Maryland. Put that on your head. Put that on your head very well. So that when I tell you, maybe a fool come on will take come on government money, or the feel Eric and one of those activities they can intimidate you. I not get no business. No business with any thing we concern California. It will never happen. I don't live in that state. I don't have the ID. You never ask yourself why somebody come America can be 7 years. He own asylum case still dey pending. Man come 6 months, he go Ohio, he go Texas, different state. They call you after 5 months, he get green card. Because the judiciary system be independent. They need to do now a state. The state laws they matter. So listen, you know, nobody can Maryland because Maryland law is very clear. Like I talk for years, nobody can talk because I talk say I'll deal with you, I'll do this. No, for Maryland, right? Threat, not be crime. The highest way judge will get now restrain others say, okay, no go corner the man. So come on, what are they saying? So mommy and papa, the refugees, them. Oh, we know one thing, we have won the war. So Cameroon government, if it deal all those chicken activities that they fear, you never see us stop for talk. Now me, my name is Eric Tato Gary Master. Me, Makwo. I don't talk those things and they take it go anywhere. Before any time where International Criminal Court wants to say one call ambassador activists for Georgia. We know we're getting independent around like 70 or 80 years. I go prison, go rest. If they want me to go prison, I go rest. They begin to read me for history. Say, oh, some ambassador rebel, they were in prison. Concern was that my country is free by then. My country is free. So we are going to fight until we have the physical separation because we have separated. We have separated. You know, Cameroon government don't say and say, I don't puncture them. Other than peace ambassador, they are finished. I don't bring the thing out. You see, you know, see how DDR send that you do live video now every day. Because they kill those 6 people in the visa, I'm not going to know. Them, set up they can't confirm them. One of the way they Germany, where they long like giraffe. He can talk, say, oh no, now every tattoo be send the picking them, they go attack DDR center before they shoot the picking, they kill them. He did there. I don't want to call him, because I don't want to give no advertisement. When I don't see them. So then the other man can't tell lie. They're not killing up picking them, but they can't confirm them because they see the corpses. They see them. I feel sure them for the sake of the fact say I want the immediate team be very clean. You see, you picking they drop their guns. It's okay. They want to travel on a DDR center to work. When I take them go kill them. When I take them go kill them 6. Now, when Telegraph, they leak them for National Telegraph, I broadcast them breaking news. One of them talks say no, not lie. Now me, I instead send the people to go attack DDR center. Some people say, I go show them when I see them. That's it. Some people always, he did it. This is it very clearly. I will show you people. My Shona, my brother be saying for me. If you want, I'm not calling him, but I will just show him when I see him because he want publicity. We just do him for the sake of our revolution. Now in this, you don't see him. Breaking news. Now in that. You don't see him, no? Say now Eric Tato send the picking them, they go for DDR center. Go attack DDR center before they kill them. Big lies. He green, no. Say they really keep picking them. He green. But you know one green say now military take picking, they don't drop their guns them. He kill them. Now they don't show for them. So you see the center is finished. Now they don't, government don't confuse. You don't know what you do. Say, Jesus Christ. No, but I don't show them. I don't know what I see them. I've shown it. They said right there. They said, good. Now a tiki, now for a diki where they take happen, where they take the picking them, they say they will drop their gun them, then they can't kill them. Not that. So it green them, then the other man don't can lie, say, oh, na lie, na propaganda where your own friend, your own colleague, he don't can confirm them. He can't confirm them. Now we'll get them very clearly. And I know answer to irrelevant kind of approach in terms of question. My targeted audience understand pidgin very well, 1,000,000%, and that is how it's going to stay because we will not feel the take foul for go Chinese market, go take German man, me go be the seller. We stay on the language that is beneficial to our population. So as I be talk, mommy and papa them, all our fighters them, more get them very clearly. We got to know one thing. Some La Republic say I show picture for the cops. Show we the total number of fighters inside DDR center, all them for video. They will show you picture for the cops. So, you know, a lot of people never know one thing. When you don't build credibility, right? Like every time I will talk say, Naloa be not be extradited, they not be sending for Cameroon, they be sending them. Oh my, oh, they make noise, fake news, this, and so on. Where are the pictures? Me at the picture. My writing. I don't need picture again. Yes. I begin at Jen. When I just say 2 people have died in my 60. Like how you go up, come down. After 1 week, the picture will come out the 2 people. Or it will be a fact. The people, the inhabitants said or confirm it. So that is the authority I have stamped. The credibility. Nobody beats it. I need to find pleasure for can write lies. Now I see Telegraph now the most credible news organ now for even Africa. That's it. So we don't strategize. And I just come out of turn and say, now forget that dirty news. We need to fear no case. And any case will not be for Maryland. I need to go. Tell the judge and I may talk. I not go ever go. No one day, no ever happen. I will not move. Never. Except na traffic violation. Except traffic violation. Any crime where some officer commit them from Maryland. See, for talk they don't call me I can't call for California. They say wait, them say I can't call for Yaoundé. And Maryland and California in terms of cases, they're like American Yaoundé. It will never happen. Put it out, right? It will never happen. Never. So, mommy and papa them, it be very strategic for we for no say Cameroon government not be destroyed. Now the military port and say they don't destroy the Porter song a plan for action. They say that the burn houses. Man go reconstruction, they still burn houses. Jacques Fam don't go to say, oh no, we'll not cease fire. So you see the government is destroyed. The whole DDR sent away. They don't make noise. All propaganda got punished them. They go put football video outside. Only 18 fighters since 4 years. Cameroon government. I like the way people spend money for nothing. I like the way people spend the money for nothing. So, I mean, for 4 years, 3 years, when I create center, inaugurate them all over, when I say, oh, now show for TV, spend a lot of money when I get 18 ex-fighters. 18 for the so my people them my amber fighters I want thank una how we una don't stand on the grounds, una don't reject the DDR center. What people don't live over there. They come online, they come make propaganda, they feel say, oh, Johnny. They've since that time where they go national dialogue, where they take that few people, they go stand up back. The other going to wait up say, well, let's go to the root causes. Even their own ex-fighter they ask them root causes. Then they come say the one they did for Bush, now they'll come. It be simple, right? Just take, see, when people they argue, say Cameroon military, for example, some people they want a few people like very minute percentage, they don't argue about the issue. Say that 6 fighters they kill them from a tiki. Okay, may I give you some example? Go for Mwambong or for Kupe Manunguba. Just recently, where was this? Bangem side. You remember those picking there, they catch them, tie their hands for back. You remember them? They shoot and kill them for Bangem side. They will how many? About 6 or more between that number. I don't know if you put the exact figure now. What will be the difference? If military, the one for bring point of a DDR center, if you catch picking them without gun, nothing, you go tie the hand for back, take them, bring them to DDR center, convince them, forget more population for ex-fighters. Oh, you just shoot picking them under them for house. You kill them. So you don't see them. So Cameroon military, it be very trained for killing nonsense people. Now that job that is all they know. The Cameroon military is the worst military in the world. The worst. The worst military in the world. Boko Haram is better than that military. Yes, they are bad. They are worst. To be honest, right? Boko Haram no fit catch person so. Boko Haram, they even exchange hostages. He not even catch person, so tie a hand, still shooting. Yes, now some person that they confirm them. Now Mwambong. You catch picking and tie their hand, shoot them, tie their face. You go to Okoyong, you catch 3 builders. You do it, you shoot and kill them. Yes. You rape mommy for barefoot. Yes, they rape that mommy for barefoot. So that they carry the mommy go hospital. All of us saw it. A whole trained military, according to their Minister of Defense. Now that's the point. So we have absolutely defeated the Cameroon military. Now they go out, they pray after the local community. Look another thing happened for this other village. 1 quick minute. People don't know. The one says even they add. I will show now. You sit at the village, you do a community work. I go for, and my brother a village, my friend a village. Now in this, I go show, and I tell the village they do a community work this. Now community work this of the village. See, they do that community work. Military come there for night. Hold on, please. Any man we know is there for tuba from Mezam. You don't hear about Fingi village. Finge. Fingi. Now for the military go raid the village. No man will report that one. But I'm giving you first hand information. Now the community that way they do that community work in peace. That was some days or weeks before the military go raid them. I have all that. It will be published. Yes, during a Wednesday, that was 2 days ago. Nobody know how to report them. Fingi village. Finge. Ask anybody around Tuba from Mezam, they will tell you. So you see the military they go for village. Look at villagers doing their community work. Cameroon military go, they go raid the whole village. Start to shoot up and down. Follow people, they enter bush. Military, we're going to protect the people. So it be very clear. Say we will not stay with the Republic of Cameroon. No matter the manipulation, that the reconstruction stop. They cry because I don't bring the ultimate strategy. Yes, no, the village ends with is E, it's not I, it's finger or something. I think I'm going to get the pronunciation right. But you could somebody, and that's under Tuba. It's under Tuba subdivision in Mezam. Good that people know the village. They can confirm from you. So Eric Tato, when it comes to facts, I have it on my palms. Nothing happened, I don't know. The other mayor of Manfe, before they want pull up, they don't know the previous day. I say, man, don't make no comment because military go kill small time. They'll say, Eric Tato. Na mama no. You can't tell them Bella. I never know a show name. Not in this. Now they knew. Now the mayor of this. Me and you don't play ball for whom. Now whom this for Zekebulua. Now the new mayor of this. Tab used to play football. Now in this for whom. Now my man, they don't go choose the wrong side, so the friendship destroyed. That's it. So I know all them. I know them. Now in this, when I look at our picture, na taben belada. Sazi man don't make no come. I mean tomorrow something happen. Military go kill them. They say, oh, na Eric Tato be talk say, hey, na I don't the key brothers. That man go be mayor, be my brother. You be mayor for regime, me I be rebel. Opposite come, you say my brother. Brothership finish the day when you choose to be mayor. When the crisis start, now so in this. You see? That's it. We have the pictures. We keep them. My name is Eric Tato. So it be very clear. Yes, we have been to whom? I slept in Legnos Hotel. I ate in Zekebulua. So all these things, when I look at this thing, I just look and laugh, say, Cameroon government is fighting around them. The game is over for the regime. Let them leave. Let them leave because they are building, they are going to build and who will break it. You build 12 hours a day, we break 2 hours during the night. That's how it's going to be. And it's an order across Ambazonia. The reconstruction will not work. It will only help to prove to the international community that nothing can happen in that area. We are gone. We are gone. It's systematic. We are steady on it. So it is clear. Cameroon government therefore know. Therefore know very clean and clear. Yeah, I see Womb Pro. They say, oh, yeah, don't go for Womb. Play football for Womb. I've been to Womb like 10 times. Bafut, Befang, I go up to Womb, all those areas, Benakuma, Balo, Benakuma, Mondele, Bawo, all areas right up to Akwa. I've been there. So I know the terrain. I've been moving around. So anywhere they build, I'll move there with my guys. We put it down. Put me anywhere. Tell me to any court in America that I am the one saying it. That is not a riot. It is war. It is war. Listen, today, the 1st of July, 2020, I, in my name, Eric Tato, full responsibility, I have asked Ambazonian fighters to break down anything that will be constructed by the Port Tarson team. If the bill will break it down, I'm the one saying it. Put me on record. Tell me to any court. We're at war. Yes, I have said it. Don't go and touch our civilians. Innocent civilians. Allow the military to be doing the rough job. Just break what they are building because that's what they want to use to impress the international community. They are going to meet us on the table. And I'm coming to talk about this table issue. They will meet us on the table. So if the bill, put it down. That's it. That is my name, Filippo Inzaghi. 9 shirt a day for position for score. My eye. Listen, you know the one thing that La Republique and some of its cronies who are Ambazonians are surprised is that they have not succeeded in trying to derail me. Because if they coach me, I can't coach them. They know na public holiday for coach because I know how to coach past all them. Yes, some guys to say, oh, no coach for my mommy, not do this, not do that. That very point they can't. My papa died for 2003. Why I just get O levels? Bury for our company for Kendem. Every day they can't coach my papa. They say, oh, don't go to people's family. Now they start coach Eric Tato. So your partner this, your partner that. Man, we don't die. Then when I come, we can coach that mommy, they cry. Try and see them. The way every time they coach woman that private part. Which woman that don't coach the private part? But the way one woman will coach my private part, that will coach the private, public, and medium parts. That's how it is going to be. Because the strategy, I've said it very clearly, that there's one guy you don't mess around with in this revolution. When I not done, I start coach my pa, Mawe died for 2003. When I coach at the avoid, then when I can talk about some my moon, I make noise. I don't talk about mommy, then fine. When I try that rubbish, I do wait to now. That's how it's going to be. You try anything. In fact, I don't extend the cost to our daughters and my sister. That's it. It is very clear. Can one government therefore know? Say all these are young provocateurs for Eric Tato. They are never ever going to succeed. Never. I have the power. Yes. I'm blessed by God. There's no way you can beat me. Because God is God. And when God blesses somebody, you cannot curse it. Look at, when I want to try all this, yes. Okay, I'll just go quickly. I will talk about table. When they talk about negotiation, you know, oh, of course, support talk. Yeah, of course, no, listen. Matona one thing. You know, sir, they always play victim. When they coach me, I did quiet for 6 months. They can't play victim. Who don't know how they coach Eric Tato? Okay, imagine. You coach me, say, me, I be bona fide condemn picking. 100% bangi. My mommy number, my papa condemn. I be grand prince. Ask anybody. I come from the royal family. But I don't ever talk them. I don't put prince of my name. I don't need them. Because I got to create myself, make myself worldwide. Not for go take grandpa or pie title they put on my skin. I don't need those things. Those things are for lazy people. You get the point? So they say, oh, this man is so, my mommy, we married my papa, born my small brother. Them. My small brother follow there. You can't coach me say, oh, this man so I say I be Bakweman. So I say I be Bamenda. So I say I be Widikum. So I say I be Igbo. So I say I be Biobio. So I say come on Anambra State. I don't hear all those coach. But it's not concerned because it's not my business. Sometimes they say, oh, they hear the tea or our family, they just laugh. But why come on can coach woman say, mommy, they do this or do one day. So they say, oh, he coach women them. I know start coaching now. I go deal with you squarely. If you know, say, from today, anyone I know say the Ambazonian, bring an audio, bring anything, call my name. I go do now one live show for your name for 1 straight week. I get the following pass you. I get radio, I get TV, I get kind pages, get website. I put you the Reto vessel. Leave Cameroon government from the corner. Deal with you for 1 week. Consecutively. Me will feel the strength of Eric Tato. Take Cameroon government cry, no. They can't don't sue me. They don't know what I have to do. They know my power. I get a radio station here, my own. So I fit talk for any side for the world. People listen to me. So no. Listen, sister, we'll not go ignore these guys. They need distract we. We'll get to put all these things in perspective because now part of the war. You get the point. Now part of the war. You don't just ignore people because when they talk this thing. Just imagine the lies some of the cut up. So, the man, so if I be stay quiet for long, some people they don't believe that crap, they say, oh, every time a woman don't run and so on. Some people they don't believe. Until they take their hand and say they start share the twerking video. Now, without said, we'll go for the other proper things that I want to discuss on today in the next 10 minutes to end the show. And this brings me to this terrible confusion, this terrible confusionist and propagandist, where they call it Chris. And I got one problem with Chris. Now, say, to be honest, now Big Brother we used to see, would you used to feel say he get something upstairs. But it's unfortunate, say the man be absolutely unschooled. I go play some video the way una go see him for here. And now why I don't talk say, if you be person way you dey Europe, I feel forgive people they for Gang Zero where they know they understand. Maybe a few of them where ABC they confuse them, but you already follow something them, you know, I mean, it be bizarre. And I will explain why. Look at these videos quickly. And I want you to look at when I hear Chris Anu lie. Okay, Mark come for the one. I'll start with the one.
I really don't know the entire context, but I saw excerpts which he made allusions to his meeting or a call. I don't know whether it was physical or not, but I think it wasn't physical. It was a call from HD, and of course they engaged him to try to know what he feels, and if he could join the process. And he gave an opinion regarding Sokadev and Agos C. I've seen people taking that and running with that. Look, real leadership in a liberation struggle, real leadership would be concerned with success and deliverance of the people, not who takes the credit. A real leader will get the job done, will want the job to be done without necessarily taking credit. People who seek to take credit, I, when you're dealing with a we, are people who, by the way and large, are not part of the revolution. I'm not here to make any judgment on Dr. Fontaine, but it begs the question, because I'm definitely sure HT initially 1 year ago, Secretary Chris contacted many people, and at that time, if I remember, Dr. Fontaine was doing is it SCNC or what? He was with one thing like that, which I mean,
consortium, I guess.
You're always guessing.
No, there's something he came to the US and he organized a meeting.
SCLC.
Yeah. So he was involved. That is the time, I presume.
So, you know, first thing I say, you know, the Chris Anu not knowing nothing. He always guess. He must get the first answer wrong. Then the second one, he try and he go still make mistake. Just like how we do with the Paris. So, Mami and Padem, the first thing I say, when I see Chris Anu and this Sako gang, they go bring Abdul Karim. Abdul Karim is a failed Muslim. When they go bring him, make him deep opinion. Because, you know, say human being just be contented with it. Then I can put it inside cage. They did a part of the way they chop corn. So they be caged. They need go above their limit. You see, when I see they can bring Abdul Karim for the opinion about Dr. Fontaine, they say you take a dear me for talk about Donald Trump. Listen. You see, HD don't fail, and I don't remind them for my last show. So they bring the video for come try for spur up their supporters and for continue to give them small $2 they make they go to pay rent. You see, Karim come here, he don't remember being a beggar for Canada. Chris Anu with the America for the longest time, he too still beg na beg. Sako na sad case. But Fontaine don't kind of as Fontaine as certified cyber security technician, com master, and so on. And if HD the contact Fontaine, because HD see and say the other group they don't fail, and HD the try for still won't get some sort of legitimacy for just talk about some, you know, some me they just talk about it. But Dr. Fontaine to fall for the trap, and I didn't blame them because Dr. Fontaine for just ignore the HD. You know, forget me write nothing about them and so on and so forth. Now why I take for some time when I ask, because you know so you never get this guy where they like kangaroo for carry call Fontaine name for social media. It don't make no sense. So the HD now because we'll go for table. HD now it failed, and you see some people go to put and say the Swiss stock is real because who said it? Because Abdul Karim. Who is Abdul Karim? Abdul Karim and man you can't talk say get form master like the other guy or a master in an audio. It is today without asking me show a certificate. No, you don't know no school we go, but he can't call himself say you don't call himself a Muslim scholar because he's not a scholar. He didn't learn nothing, even the Muslim religion. So at the end of the day, now just play the next one. We go yet to this.
As you mentioned,
Yeah.
Von Goji Dinka is represented in there. There is no group that I don't know that. In there, and as you mentioned.
Please, when I try to show video, Miss Omani call me back. Well, hold on, I'll call you back if you watch me. Just hold on.
Von Goji Dinka is represented in there. There is no group that I don't know that is not represented in there, and all the veterans of this struggle are all represented in there. Even in Fongalam, from his dungeons in Condé has endorsed ad. So it just again beat my imagination that.
Okay, he said Fongalafo. That's where I was coming. You see how Chris Anu betray the pigs? Fongalafo now the architect behind the sacking of Sako. If you don't know, now they try. You see, they don't go bring Fongalafo now because they don't see and say Tasang. They already use Tasang. Finish with Tasang. Yeah, of course, Anu is a very dull guy. Though Tasang don't be finished because anything Tasang the right time, he not still get weight. Because Tasang with a cat talk say, consider us as though we are dead. Then every day the right. Now, the understand say no money reply the right thing again. The Sarkozy and say, no, let's see if we can use pound from Galafo. From Galafo, my tell I don't know. Today, write it down. Ask him for jail. The man where he talks, say me the sack Sako, say Sako don't thief. Now from Galafo. So, when someone say Fongalafo is Fongalafo, no ever do you Chris and you and Fongalafo na then what I do all that thing. Now the very thing way una carry ban Mulanjo in name. Una write and say be draft for Fako before he die. But daughter deny. Say that lie. Una not even meet your papa. Ti una ask say the IG way Sako the claim say get her. They pick. Ask say Pam Fongalafo die. They contribute how much for the draft with Pam Fongalafo give. They contribute how much for the draft. Where Pam will be drafted and leave them. Ask Pam Fongala for a family. How much these guys contributed. Sako himself not contribute $1 for his own countryman. He died minus struggle. So you see, when these guys are failing, someone can say everybody is represented in there. Represented in where? I don't tell on a very clean and clear. Say the only legitimate person for this revolution from this position are Ayok Tabe and then Cho Ayaba. That's it. Any other person, may Akwanga come, you look the project they talk say they represent, you get Bohebe. Bohebe, where he fighters, they gonna minus 1,000 fighters. Means say only thing they talk, it costs with minus 1,000 fighters. It's not, you just age, you don't know why way. You know how many times age you don't contact me? If you say I can't talk online, you know how many times age you contact me for 1 month? Because the truth now say, Switzerland don't fail. Now when I see no money talk about Switzerland, all my talk I say UN Security Council before they be talking, but the year we're preaching consistently. Now I don't turn and say I'll go back for reminder. Say when I hear Abdul Karim claim for a first this thing say, oh, the no leader not get for take credit. The highest people they take credit after them na AGC. I talk clean and clear na Sako. Sako go might write some long thing how they go for Senate, they don't do this, they go for Brazil. They be the only person, the only group where they take maximum credit when it comes to writing stuff. Na they pick. The second na the AGC they went, but they go do the action, they go claim them. Now I will always advise and say, no go to claim action when not do them. I don't really announce action for Fako and Boya. It will happen in the days ahead. Now me I coordinate the thing. It's going to be blown up somewhere. Inside Fako, I go here and I will see. And when they do, I not talk, they will claim the credit. I should not be quiet. But now remind me, say every time we don't talk on the 1st of July. Now me, maybe if I were infinite talk this show, now we hear news. Military, then they turn, they make the ISO. When they try to concentrate, they like, bam, the one guy don't go me. So that is how we operate. So all of us must understand. When you see Abdul Karim go come, hey, this guy, I don't know if the guy did that. When you see one thing with Muslim, when Muslim want good, eat good. When Muslims start chop pick, forget about it. And if you insult any Muslim, Mr. Man country, you don't insult religion, no. I talk about one man, and it not be applied to the entire Muslim faith. One man. Man make them very clear. You ever talk say the revolution never been attained, man, they take credit. Now they fight credit. You need to see the pick there. You see, you know why I like Ayok Tabe? Why I support Ayok Tabe? Because a man with humility be undiluted. He didn't address himself as president. He just like Sisiku. Now, see, I tell you one thing, right? Sako, see, they will go put banner for here. You didn't fight who? Now complex. Now inferiority complex. Now you see all the actors that carry time online, they want to compare it, they want to do. Why only can make one live show now so they cry? See when they cost me 6 months. It be okay. I can't do only 3 live shows. They say, oh, they fight for social media. So that I've been waiting, it's been a boxing on a practice. So it be very clear. I don't repeat, I don't talk very clean and clear here. My just name on a Sako, my just doing 10 failures for Sako where he fail. Number 1, my just name them in case some of them not be seeing yesterday. Man name some. You see how a man is crumbling, and the Lina. When I go bring Adu Karim for Qatar, Ambazona is not stupid. Ambazona is not stupid. There is nothing in Switzerland. Nothing will ever happen there. Switzerland is better. Someone go Switzerland better than Yaoundé because Switzerland was past Yaoundé. Yes, was. So some person might talk without talk. You say without calling what? No. Listen, when you talk facts, you need to talk the mixed word. If you that I need patronize no group for the revolution. Get them very clear. Yes, that different AGC for the issue with the one our commando. Today, if I talk to about is case say now lie say AGC take for the credit when they do the work. Now lie. They be hate me. I don't care. I talk the truth anytime. You usually fear some group. Now never know tonight. Now don't know will be every time. Now therefore, una careful still go learn me. Ask anybody who know my history go learn me. I need to fear nobody when I talk the truth. Put in your mind. So a lot of things the way Sarkodie fail for. And we'll get them very clearly. Number one, very crucial, all fighters except Field Marshal, they not be loyal to Sako. All fighters except Field Marshal, they not be loyal to Sako. All, be very clear. Number one, that the Swiss talk, it don't fail. Absolutely fail. Every man not be live for the talk. Rate him, wait, don't cry for 1 year, they only observe. I see Rate Maka write about Swiss because Swiss now a failed talk, completely failed talk. Number two, Sako gets 0 diplomatic achievements because the Swiss talk where Ellis Smith be bringing them if he say go be na achievement go talk say I'm the one who brought negotiation. When I see Ellis this other the one I say na green leg Abdul Karim na green leg not even black leg. When I see the cat talk say oh let's not take credit. Ye the Karim. Now who be number one man for take credit not be. You come out set, you go Bamenda or horse who will not get independence. Till today I see look and say whether I say they will move you come up why come out that prison so they move your brain, put them under your chin and don't understand. Because a man requires say Muslim might go be you come out go where people they suffer. You go hire horse, make speed, buy me, but this slave when waiting. And this is what people don't say. Then when me I will use my own money, money when I want money they contribute and give for take and help refugees and store on IDP, they take and go climb the horse. The one I will use my own money go relax after 4 years you make noise. You find it's long time remember for Canada they don't be na boy for some people then. Now investigation don't begin over my trip to Boya. Chris Anu he destroyed the peak completely. I thought a failures of the Sako IG. The peak, the common sense group. Chris Anu don't now go call for kidnapping of women. I mean they kidnap and then they kill women then. And the worst thing I said, Chris Anu go in a video for 2 years ago. The guy, I used to tell, honestly, I don't tell Chris Anu many times. If I meet him every time he probably down and who be there, some person be there, maybe or Maryland. He talk, I tell Chris, listen, you have a problem, man. You got to sit up. He said, what do you mean? I said, yeah, because you behave like a dollar. I can't for corner tell you, the man be there, change on a wood, they be there, corner there, yeah. The last you they say, this guy, you are very bold. I said, no, it's not about being bold. It's about telling Chris the truth. It's about, some man, man read something. Some man say, every time to be jealous, I do Karim. I do Karim now. I get following on social media, passy. I find passy. I get money passy. I can't go everywhere before you. Why would the jealous man passy for nothing? You know the meaning of jealousy? It's crazy, man. You can't be jealous of somebody that you are both. That's it. With due respect, I don't ever tell and say I be one man with any joke with you because I know how to hit you guys hard. Okay, so that should be clear. So you see, if man go carry horse go Bamenda, they come for ABC, we can't convince people. They say Swiss. Now say Karim a corrupted Muslim. I know that guy not be even Muslim. That guy, he not be Muslim, he not be Catholic, he not be Buddhist. He just there's somewhere around some mixed religion way. He never find his own religion. Even Scientology way Tom Cruise do and Karim not be one of those. Because when you see a guy who calls himself Muslim, then he eats pigs and he chop pigs with a licky finger. He not careful, no say it's a very serious issue. Because it not make no sense. Oh, some people say Karim their sense pass me. For Quran, for preach Quran, that's where it ends. Because I know man, I need read Quran. For that way get sense pass me, I agree. I don't know past all thing, but any other thing outside Quran, I will teach Karim. That should be very clear here, now and there, anytime. That should be clear. Man, make me want to know because you get man, we get 0 credibility. Zero everything for carry analyze. He analyze what Swiss stock don't die because Sako don't use small money. The money they thief from my chip to buy. Oh, they you say go diplomatic mission for you take a chop and so on and so forth. What happen? You don't say this. Now you don't remain a slave for Sako. You can't every time when they don't say something don't die. They call me can't talk say the HD this HD what? HD said nothing up in mop talk about the Swiss stock again. Everybody saying go to the UN Security Council. So those are the things that you propose. No. Sako take some useless girl from Morocco. Girl where he master the caution drive him. Say the smell this and so on. He go burn the master close. Sako take American do conspiracy say, oh, Eric that the woman don't run house. They do it for 6 months. I used 15 seconds. I destroy them. So those are the failures. You see? So those are the failures. Somebody say he passed me. Yes, no, he passed me for Quran. Why not ever agree? I read Quran. It is that one guy. I don't go compare a pilot. If you talk say when you talk say person pass person right, you put them for scale. You rate them. He passed me for Quran. I pass it for Bible. So that one don't get cancel. Any other thing, history are BT, intelligence are BT, savvy are BT, anything. So that is how you compare it. So pilot, if you pass me for piloting, I pass it for drive motor. If we bring that for even any other thing for they will bring to compare the go. So when I be very clear, maybe when I see carrying the like for me na toilet tissue for now, maybe when I value something because it don't lost all way together. That's the truth. So now put the right or the carrying is having a thief is better than him because he don't know it till he do again. So when don't don't go bring this, don't go do this, they go bring this, they go bring una for can bring it for can confuse. Look how many people they support Sako again. And for WhatsApp group, put the fear for even talk say Sako is president because I don't repeat them for them repeatedly. Say that man end up for WhatsApp group. That's it. He ends in the WhatsApp group. So we all will get for stay fast. You see, Mami and Padem, all our refugees them. You see how people they move ahead. Like Republic fear now UN Security Council. Just imagine. All man is talk say let the UN let this thing come on the UN Security Council. So man is in HD. So Karim Abdul Karim when I claim say get sense. He prefer NGO way Bala strong pass and Bala NGO strong pass HD. Karim prefer to United Nations where control all countries for the world. He prefer to Security Council. You know what to be UN Security Council? Where America did it, Kenya did it, Russia did it, all man did it. You know what to be UN Security Council? So when you look people them, and I tell you, I say, una own dullness. When I support Sako, una go buy na for market. Oh, na sleep, they put our drip. Oh, na chop and na witchcraft. I don't know. Because when you see this is what they call extreme dullness. Una own them get cap. How? Wait, hold on. Having the consortium with from them they get it better pass HD because they start the war. Consortium get credibility pass that HD for Switzerland. So some man when I claim say get sense, they put HD for here, put Switzerland, put UN Security Council. He go pick HD. Oh my goodness! Wait, man, wear my marks before I laugh the laugh, man. No, because the way they laugh, I feel laugh today. Wait, man, wear my marks. No, this is impossible. This happen for them, man. They guys have serious comedians them. No wonder now they make a say comedy revolution because on our own thing now really comedy. No, let us be serious, right? Mommy and Papa the refugee wait. When I just reverse the question, man, no go for HD and UN because all them get HD 2 letter UN 2 letter. Ma go for for some simple thing, right? I have a calculator. Okay, ma go for money. They say they put 10,000 CFA for year. Then they put $100. So man go pick 10,000. Say I want. And then this are going to put them. I say this are going to put them at different level. Tomorrow talk about English. No, I'll be the best English speaker for Ambassador Revolution. Best writing, talking, the best. Karim they talk English. Now English Karim talk. Karim they talk English. You need to talk English. To be honest, you need to talk English. Karim English compare and Capo Daniel. You know Capo Daniel. I did not went to school, so that's it. So what is clear, right? It's clear. Yes, to be honest, they buy dullness because I don't ask simple questions. Say, I want to bring in perspective for them understand. Say right, they put UN Security Council. You get the point? UN Security Council there. they put HD. Talk say Ambazonian, una go pick person way it go solve on a problem. Abdul Karim go pick HD. He run away from UN Security Council. The man they normal. The man they normal. Wait, no. Move be honest. Move just put small debate for here. Move type. Put the one HD for solve the problem. Put HD. Put the one UN. Put UN. Hashtag. Because now two put another they compete. UN Security Council and the HD. So put the one UN. Put UN. Musi. Put the one HD. Me they put HD. Musi. Move just get those type. Move type. If you put as many times as 10 times for your own way one time. Musi before I continue this show. I'll round up in 5 minutes. Put the one HD. Me they type am. Some person get water mop. How you don't know? Where am I find water? That mop. I need more water for the mop. You don't make my water don't even dry. Excuse me, move the time. I don't know. Water is good for your health. So Sako put on run. There's no man of type HD. So now so therefore the deal with them. We'll bring the team up they see the reality. That's it. Everybody wants the UN. How some man go do leave UN, go choose HD. Then you say the man gets sense. The man is sick. The man is very sick. UN, good. Man add the water for them up. So keep typing. Type UN as many times as possible. So that's the point. So there are two things. Two people in the negotiation front now. People want 2 days. HD, that started 1 year ago, is still struggling to convince Dr. Fontaine to join. And there's a UN Security Council that can pull anybody on the table. Then some person say, you see, Justice, dog guy, you want UN. You want say HD. That's the problem with you people. You know, be ready for independence. You see? So, you see, even with the explanation, you see a man, some man don't choose for be a certified dollar. You got the shame. Something they were, you don't say anyhow, no. Major green. You see, no. You got the shame. You won. Look, all money type you and you won, you can't type HD. Yet, you talk to me, they're not calling you La Republic. We'll be honest. Because any man when they run away from the UN Security Council now, they go for HD in a La Republic agent. No, so person say me you ignore. You know, when you see, present day for your show, you ignore. Present day when I discussion, as I discuss with comments. So I know they ignore, they take the time for travel and listen because that one they help what people do forget the sense in which you talk. Remember, say I be communicator by excellence. I be happy with some of them, I advise them. I will ignore and be necessary, but sometimes you enough ignore. So we'll keep on. Yes, some person don't write some very important comments. Say UN will not save us. That's true. No person will save us except ourselves. But we talk say in terms for negotiation, we say we get for go UN or HD. You know. Because at least the foreign part that they watch this show that they see on our representation. All man they see them. They did not say no, they put the one at UN. So yeah, I mean, see was that type of don't get at 2 HD. 2 HD, one from La Republique, and then the other one from the other justice guy with a normal door person will not accept the truth. So that's it. So let's type it. So Mami and Papa them, so that's the situation, and I want to be very grateful, say all we as a people would not understand the technique. All refugees when our independence don't come. Yes, there is no man of if you do anything for stop them. No man of if you do anything for stop them. So we continuously thank our people, so that all we will continuously remain focused. For our amber boys on the bush, una war, una fire. Now me I tell now. Not na me they say the one can tell me go cut to America. They tell us say war they gone. Me they cut this part go there for Josh from America say I don't talk say no war they gone. Not Josh, not if violate my Second Amendment right for the America. It not ever happen. So our right for all gone for defend ourselves. So no way, no that one salute my sister from France, General Ako. Best salon, you get the best salon for the whole of Paris. So any man want make here, they find your number, call it, go do it every day. Right, so we'll continue to be thankful and we'll be happy to say all man, so person say wait, I never even read that kind of comment. I know block on today. Today na 1st of July, mark you New Month Liberty. So that's how it's going to stay, and we will continuously remain hard on those who think they can insult us. I don't declare officially today, 1st of July. And I want to coach Erita to be ready, because in the audio, I'm going to investigate you, get your family, get your sisters, get your brothers, get anybody who will be related to you. If it means I apply Gary on the ground, I will do one. So when you want to talk about Erita to hold your bell very well, because I will act both on social media and on the ground. That one be now very officially known from today. Code me anywhere, man. Erita officially, yes. So that is how it's going to be. I got to use all my power. Now, war. For war, you need to use your power, leave half. I will use all my power. Use one on social media, use one on the ground. So if you try me, I'll deal with you on social media, I'll deal with you on the ground. Anyhow, that's how it is. If you miss him, I'll carry you. Please. Okay, we'll open phone line for 5 calls before we close the show. So the phone number is 917-480-1068. 917-480-1068. So now the phone number. That excellent show today. Over close to 900 people for a page will be restricted. Wonderful show. We'll be very grateful. So we'll take this first call at Don Pasho. We don't try for call many times. So we'll be happy saying all Monday. Yeah, Don Pasho, we don't try for call. We have to tell you, say, I'll obviously call you back. Go ahead. Wait to be a contribution. We'll get 2 minutes.
Because I want to clarify that issue where Abdul Karim did go talk for that Alphabet TV. You know, now because of the interview, we need have the interview senior comrade Dr. Fontaine, because now a senior comrade way is not be them. They start this war for Ground Zero. I don't believe so for them for the play way. We did it today way some people they don't go take Antuna, they talk say not them. Not them. Because Dr. Fontaine be talk clear for that show. Say why we Switzerland if he contact you. Because Switzerland, some people, and if he call names, if he call for Akwanga. Say Akwanga be talk for Switzerland, say that he get the biggest force for them. And Swiss only talk say no, they discover say no be Akwanga get the biggest force for them. So make it try to bring Ayapacho. Now, why don't we come for the show and make it be clear for Ambazonian public, for your platform today? Make it be clear. Say, Abdul Karim, before you want to go for Alphabet TV, for what talk for day, make it be clear. Say, me, Don Pasho, I don't invite you, not be 1 time, not be 2 times for SCBC. Before even I want to invite senior comrade Dr. Fontaine, make it come for my program. Abdul Karim will be one of the first, but he be turn them down. So after Dr. Fontaine don't speak the truth, if you know, say which way Dr. Fontaine be talk, will not be true. After that show, Dr. Fontaine don't contact me. He tell me say he be ready. As I talk phone, Dr. Fontaine contact me. He tell me say he be ready for go on today with senior comrade Abdul Karim. And I will tell your platform today, say I write to Abdul Karim. Abdul Karim reply me, I will put the reply to public. The public self. Say, me approve to you. Say, Fontaine, na Ambazonian. Is that not sarcastic to the Ambazonian people? Say, me will prove, say, Fontaine, na Ambazonian, the Dr. Fontaine will know.
Why ye the Karim not prove to you if he be Ambazonian?
So, na some kind of thing in this. Because if you the fear for come for a debate with Dr. Fontaine, don't accept it, he be ready for debate with you on facts. Because Dr. Fontaine be the good distances and he be the good facts for my program.
All right, we'll take another caller. That's cool. I think Omando hear that one.
Thank you.
All right. So, Karim, we are finished. You want to compare yourself with Dr. Fontaine? Oh my God. These guys are really sick. This guy, they really be sick. It's a shame. I don't tell you, I say Karim na fake and officer the joke. Mind that, don't expose him. We'll be very happy say Gabon don't react to this travel ban issue. It's a sad thing. All right, please. Some people don't say, oh, every time they chop chingom during the show, they can use that for one bring this thing. I'm gonna make it very clear before you go disgrace yourself. I got have a true gum during my show. Because it's an interactive show. You don't watch coach of Manchester, I never chew gum, Alex Ferguson. Everyone did interview him. So it is not impolite because my followers are like my family. They will be family members. So we need to chew gum for please anybody who do them because we are family. So any enemy ready for everyone go have conspiracy, you are free. But the followers are there. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're going to end this way. I want to take more calls. I'm probably don't have a call again, but I feel we will not get too many calls coming in. God bless you, Don Pacho. Thank you so much. We'll keep the faith. And I want to thank all my way to share this thing. I will play some one song I really like. The title now. And I like this music because music where you listen to the lyrics very well. I like this guy because he used this custom your mommy for a very positive way. And I'm gonna listen now. The music title of the music is your mommy. And if it concern you, your mommy.
Una no calculé mi,
Can Quintus, that's my man. Man. All right, good job. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Sister Janet. God bless all of you. Thank you, Sister Vicky. Those are my buddies, my cronies. Great girls, great women. Thank you, Manu Queen, my personal person. Yep. God bless you. Okay, I'm going to leave it here, all right? So, we'll find time and we'll keep doing what we're doing. Just to end the show, I'll end the show by blocking one La Republic agent. The call is Jude. So you'll be blocked. We'll block Jude. It's a fake profile. So you can go follow me on National Telegraph or you go to the radio, okay? The app is there. Just type National Telegraph on your Google Play Store. You're going to see the app. Download. You can listen to good music. But from this moment, you will no longer be on the Eric Tato page. Bye-bye. Let me block Jude. Good. That's it. All right. Thank you so much, Ben. God bless you all. Gerard. Thank you. Baba Fan, my man. Baba Fan, come, I'll wait you. Come, officer. Moto. Okay. Thank you, Sivanus. So, all the bad belly people, una mommy. Na Big G Baba talk, not be me. I love that music. So provocative. I love it. It's nice. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.